Today we're making this quick, easy and delicious spaghetti recipe. We're going to start off by sauteing some garlic inside some olive oil, and we're going to allow that to become slightly brown, but we definitely don't want to burn it. So we're just going to saute that, and then we're going to add to that some chili flakes. You can make it as spicy or as mild as you like. I enjoy a little bit of spice, but not too much. Then we're going to go ahead and add our diced tomatoes. So I've just used a can of diced tomatoes. We're going to throw that in. So to get all of the extra tomato that gets left in the can, I fill my can halfway with water, and I'm going to throw that into my pan as well. And we're going to allow this to simmer while we're cooking our pasta. At this point, we also want to put in our basil. You can use dried basil, you can use fresh basil. I've just chopped up some basil and I'm throwing that in as well. So onto our pasta, I have a pot of very heavily salted water. I'm going to throw my spaghetti in. You can use different types of pasta if you don't like spaghetti, that's totally fine. And then we're going to do a quick check back on our spaghetti sauce. We're letting that simmer and get nice and concentrated in its flavors. Add some salt and pepper to taste. And then all we need to do is add our pasta to our sauce. I don't even bother straining the pasta. I just pick it up with some tongs and just throw the pasta in there. You can go to the effort of straining it first if you want. I just don't want another thing to clean up. And that's really it. The last thing that there is to serve. This recipe is so cheap to make. It's really delicious. Everybody that I've served it to has loved it. You can make it for under $2. It's easy to scale up if you need to feed more people. And I hope you like this. I hope you make it. I hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.